Your kidneys filter nearly 50 gallons of blood every single day. They remove toxins, balance minerals, regulate blood pressure, and keep your body in perfect chemical balance. But here's the problem. Most people don't think about their kidneys until something goes wrong, and by that time, the damage may already be happening silently. The good news is that the foods you eat every day can either protect your kidneys or slowly damage them. In this video, we're going to look at some of the best foods for kidney health and, more importantly, exactly how they help protect your kidneys at the cellular level. Let's start with one of the most powerful. 1. Berries, small fruits with powerful kidney protection. Berries may be small, but they are packed with compounds that help protect kidney tissue. Your kidneys are constantly filtering toxins from the blood. During this process, they are exposed to oxidative stress, which occurs when harmful molecules called free radicals damage cells. Berries are rich in powerful antioxidants such as anthocyanins, vitamin C, ellagic acid, and quercetin. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and protect the delicate filtering units in the kidneys known as nephrons. Berries also reduce inflammation in kidney tissue. Chronic inflammation can damage the glomeruli, the tiny filters inside the kidneys that remove waste from the blood. By calming inflammation, berries help prevent scarring and maintain healthy kidney filtration. They also support healthy blood vessels. The kidneys rely on a network of microscopic blood vessels to filter blood efficiently. Compounds in berries help improve circulation and protect the lining of these vessels. And there's another benefit. Berries help regulate blood sugar levels because they are high in fiber and relatively low in sugar compared to many fruits. This is important because diabetes is the leading cause of kidney disease worldwide. Some berries even help protect against urinary infections. Cranberries contain compounds that prevent harmful bacteria from attaching to the urinary tract lining. Some of the best berries for kidney health include blueberries, strawberries, cranberries, and raspberries. Adding even half a cup of berries per day can provide powerful antioxidant support. 2. Leafy greens, nutrient powerhouses for kidney protection. Leafy green vegetables support kidney health in several important ways. One of the leading causes of kidney damage is high blood pressure. When blood pressure stays elevated over time, it damages the tiny blood vessels that supply the kidneys. Leafy greens contain important minerals like potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. They also contain natural nitrates that help the body produce nitric oxide, a compound that allows blood vessels to expand and improve blood flow to kidney tissue. Leafy greens are also rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and polyphenols. These compounds reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Another key benefit is detox support. Leafy greens help the liver process toxins more efficiently. When the liver breaks down toxins effectively, the kidneys have less toxic waste to filter from the bloodstream. They also contain fiber, which helps eliminate waste through the digestive system instead of forcing the kidneys to remove everything. Some excellent leafy greens include kale, spinach, arugula, collard greens, Swiss chard, and romaine lettuce. For those prone to kidney stones, low oxalate vegetables such as cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, celery, asparagus, and romaine lettuce are excellent options. 3. Fatty fish, powerful anti-inflammatory protection. Fatty fish are one of the most powerful foods for protecting the kidneys because they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. The main omega-3s found in fish are EPA and DHA, and these compounds have strong anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation plays a major role in kidney damage. When the kidneys become inflamed, the glomeruli can become scarred and lose their ability to filter waste properly. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammatory signals in the body by blocking molecules that trigger inflammation. They also help protect the structure of the kidney's filtering units. Chronic kidney damage often leads to protein leaking into the urine, a condition known as proteinuria. Omega-3s help strengthen the glomerular membrane and reduce this leakage. Fatty fish also improve blood flow to the kidneys. They help relax blood vessels, increase nitric oxide production, and reduce blood clot formation. This allows oxygen-rich blood to reach kidney tissues more efficiently. Omega-3 fatty acids also help lower triglycerides, improve cholesterol balance, and reduce plaque buildup in arteries. Healthy arteries ensure that the kidneys receive the oxygen and nutrients they need. Some of the best fatty fish for kidney health include salmon, sardines, mackerel, herring, and anchovies. Eating fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week can significantly reduce inflammation and support kidney health. High blood pressure destroys kidneys quietly, which is why I made a video about different ways to reduce high blood pressure without medications. It is in the description below if you want to watch it after you finish watching this. If you're enjoying this content so far, please give it a like. 4. Extra virgin olive oil, a protective fat for the kidneys. Not all fats are harmful. In fact, extra virgin olive oil is one of the most protective fats for kidney health. Olive oil contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds such as oleocanthal and polyphenols. Oleocanthal works in a way similar to mild anti-inflammatory medications by blocking enzymes that trigger inflammation in the body. Reducing inflammation helps protect kidney tissue from long-term damage and scarring. Olive oil also supports the health of the blood vessels that supply the kidneys. It improves the function of the endothelium, which is the inner lining of blood vessels. This helps arteries relax and improve circulation to kidney tissues. Another benefit is blood pressure control. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil improve arterial flexibility and reduce vascular stiffness, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Olive oil also improves cholesterol balance by reducing oxidation of LDL cholesterol and increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol. And it helps regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This is important because diabetes is the leading cause of kidney disease. Using 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily as part of a balanced diet can provide powerful protective benefits. 5. Water, the most important nutrient for kidney function. Finally, one of the most important things for kidney health isn't actually food at all, it's water. Your kidneys rely on water to filter waste from the blood and remove it through urine. Every day, the kidneys remove waste products such as urea, creatinine, and uric acid. Water dissolves these substances and allows them to be safely eliminated from the body. Adequate hydration also helps prevent kidney stones. When urine becomes too concentrated, minerals like calcium and oxalate can begin to crystallize and form stones. Drinking enough water dilutes these minerals and flushes them out before they can form crystals. Water also maintains healthy blood flow to the kidneys. When the body becomes dehydrated, blood volume drops, which reduces circulation to kidney tissue. Severe dehydration can even lead to acute kidney injury. Water also helps the kidneys regulate important minerals called electrolytes, including sodium, potassium, and calcium. By maintaining proper hydration, the kidneys can keep these minerals in balance and prevent harmful imbalances. For most healthy adults, drinking about 6 to 8 glasses of water per day helps support normal kidney function. Supporting kidney health doesn't require complicated diets or expensive supplements. Some of the most powerful kidney protective foods are simple whole foods like berries, leafy greens, fatty fish, extra virgin olive oil, and plenty of water. These foods work together to reduce inflammation, protect kidney cells, improve blood circulation, regulate blood pressure, and help the kidneys efficiently remove toxins from the body. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple science-based tips to support your health. And let me know in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat regularly? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.